If you're interested in learning how to tune on the EMtron range of ECUs, then our EMtron worked example in our Practical Standalone Tuning course is going to be perfect for you. In particular, it will show you how to apply the HPA 10-step tuning process on the EMtron platform. You will learn how to set up the trigger inputs to the ECU and how to use the built-in scope function to confirm that the ECU is receiving the correct information. You'll also learn how to correctly configure and test any sensors you've connected to the engine to ensure that they're reading correctly. Then you'll learn how to set up all of the ECU outputs and test to make sure that your ignition coils, injectors and any auxiliary outputs are wired and operating properly. From here, we'll jump into the tuning process and you'll learn how to navigate EMtron's EMtron tuning software. You will learn how to set up your fuel and ignition tables, and you'll learn how to use the built-in logging functionality to help speed up your tuning and be pinpoint accurate when making calibration changes. Lastly, you'll learn how to confirm your tune out on the road or the racetrack to make sure that everything we saw on the dyno remains accurate under real-world conditions. While we've presented this worked example using a 550 horsepower R34 Nissan GT-R, this worked example is going to be perfect for anyone using the EMtron ECU, regardless of the engine or the car. Click the link for more information.